continue finding new resources, and where do you continue learning? Where do you go for educational content?
Well, I think that'd be mostly from others, those that have many more years experience than I have, but also from those that are still green to the maintenance field and maintenance theory and practices. The new ones are the ones that will point out the obvious yet often overlooked issues, or they haven't been taught to do anything a certain way. They question why, they make mistakes, and they're also ambitious and motivated. So it's from these mistakes and questions that one can tailor any formal training and determine any generational skills gaps we may have. Other resources that I like are scientific journals. These are great when it comes to reliability knowledge. Journals, white papers, technical papers, especially those written within the last year or so, are sources of some of the most up-to-date and cutting-edge information and trends. And a more traditional, but trade shows and sales reps are still a fantastic source of information on developing technologies. There's a great deal of content that can be found on maintenance reliability websites, such as the Upkeep Maintenance website and the SMRP websites. These are great resources for those that are new to the field, and as well as those that have spent decades. And when I'm looking for new ideas, uh, I guess it depends on the type. If I'm looking for inspiration, in that case, I'll probably bug the newer folks on the front lines, and maybe those that work with them, like the production operators. And if I'm looking for that solution, this is also a good resource. But I'm thankful that I have a great network of professionals in varying fields that I can bug when I need advice or a fresh perspective on something that I might be overlooking.
Absolutely. I mean, it sounds like you've had such a great network of mentors that have helped, push you along the way. You get to learn from them. It also sounds like you don't take the newer generation as, you also use them as places to learn from as well.
Definitely.
They ask a bunch of questions, and yeah, there is that skills gap, but it also pushes, I feel like, all of us to get better as well. I
Mhm.
remember once saying that the best way to learn is through teaching, actually. Uh,
Oh, that's very true.
yeah.